I downloaded something and it had the Technic launcher in it.
Are you happy now?
Yeah, take it now.
Are you happy?
Oh wait, no I can't. Never mind. Whatever. I was about to make a beautiful love story thing. Then.
Pretty sure you can't.
Shut up, I know what to do.
You can't have a love story with Ticket.
Shut up!
Okay.
And yes you can. I've had one. God damn it.
Okay. Say hi, Tina.
Why not me?
Cause no one wants to hear you, Devin. Just kidding. Say hi, all of you. Oh my.
No, I don't want to. Adam, start praying.
Please let Daisy work for Devin.
If it doesn't work. Then the
Dude,
stuff.
go on Nicecraft.
Nicecraft? No.
That's where we met.
Yeah,
I
I know.
think. Is that where we met?
Yes.
Oh no, we met on oh yeah, Nicecraft. You were like the admin. Well,
Yeah.
I didn't. You
That's
guys
where we
did.
met. Oh my
And then
God.
then Orgus and Adam brought you on my server. I was like, what the heck? Who is this person?
Oh yeah, I remember that.
I know, I got so angry, you just invited someone random, gave them up. It's like, what the heck?
And now we're here.
And now look at it. Yeah, look at me flying. Yeah, it was kind of a change.
Yes.
Yeah, like we met and then me and Devin, you know, angry. And then now we're back to normal, maybe. Or maybe we might get to
What?
fight. What?
Losing power?
What? We're losing power?
I turn. Do I have to turn off my computer? That's quickly.
Okay, let's
Go on your iPad.
17.0.
Crap. This is not good, Adam.
Charge it. Oh, my mind. Oh, come on.